Hey guys, Coach Kimmy here. Guess who's here? This is Lisa's granddaughter, Selena. Look at this cool color we're doing. So grandma did her hair. Well, she got it cut and then she's graduating. So it's kind of cool because I thought, well, what are we gonna do, right? Because it was kind of orange pieces, like her grandma did it, and it was like a really cool color on some highlights, but it wasn't enough. We want her to stand out and be exceptional. And I was thinking in my head already, magenta would look absolutely gorgeous on her because it's unique and different. And do you know it was the second one she picked out? So that's what we went with. That's how you know. Stay tuned. Look at that cool color. You ready? Yes. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Coach Kimmy here. So Selena came in with her grandmom, and I'm seeing her sitting down, and she's got some orange spots in her hair, grandma's job, but that's okay because it was good at first, but then it faded to orange. So I thought, magenta would look phenomenal on her. So we did magenta. Now, as I'm done washing her hair out, I'm thinking she needs thinning out. This is like hair. And you know what she said to me? She said, I hate thick hair. And then they tell me that this is thinned out. This is not thinned out, just saying. Okay, so I want to show you my thinning shears. Okay, so I got two. Got the thicker one, thinner one, and then I got my point cutters, to get real pointy, or this one to do real pointy. So the first thing I want to do with my thinning shear, the thinner one, is I want to see this line, see this right here? I want this. Okay, this is pretty good, but you got to get it a little bit better to blend. I want it to be seamless. So you're just gonna keep pulling it up. You want it to, now I'm gonna take the next section. Okay, I'm gonna grab it, getting those ends. Now I'm gonna come in, go in. Now listen, that hair is so much more flexible. Do you see how rigid it was? It was so straight and thick. Now it's gonna have movement in the hair. That's the goal. So Selena's lucky day, she wanted me to cut her hair too. And this is the thing, I am somebody that I don't care how long it takes, but if I'm here and you need your hair done, I'm doing it. And she was all for it. And her grandma's awesome because she's like, do whatever you want. Okay, so look, I'm gonna show you here too. Now this is pretty good.
Look at that.
But I wanna get that, right? We're making it nice and seamless because she already has the buzz here, but we want this to just go even more. Nice. Now right here too. See that it's a rigid line? We come up. Now I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna even go deeper, right in the root. Okay, now I'm gonna come to this side. Listen, you go from good to great. It wasn't bad, but you could just make it better. I think that's the way I think. I'm always looking at something, think, can I make it better? And if so, how, right? I knew that if I made this blend better and made it a better color and all, it just is gonna look so much nicer. From good to great, guys, good to great. I'm gonna go right in her root here too. Get all that hair out. So much more flexible. Now this is the other thing. Right here, she's kind of got a little of its own calic. I want to make that so you can't even see that little hair right there. Much better. Now I'm going to take the next section. I want to just pull this up. And now what I'm going to do is get right on the top, so I could see too if it was cut uneven or anything, because I'm a checker. Check. And you know what? They left this a little longer over here because she has a calic, which I totally get. So that's how come I know that right away. So even if you see something uneven, you got to think why. But she was good enough to know that. Although here there's no calic and it's still not exactly. But we'll be nice. But you guys got to keep growing and learning. Remember that. Oh. See, you see how it just lays so really nice?
Yeah.
Okay, so look, I'm gonna let you guys see. Okay, so look it was on an angle like this. So maybe she was trying to get it to come over this way. Were they trying to get it longer on one side or no?
No, her hair was cut longer on one side, and I think she just stayed with it.
Okay, good. So then it's not cut uneven. It's just,
I just don't think she'd recut it for this haircut.
got it.
I
She
think
just
stayed
kept
with-
what she had.
I think she's the one that cut it the last time.
Okay.
My granddaughter's hair was down here, and she cut it like with one side like hanging down longer than the other, and this side shaved, and then it grew in, and then she went and got it cut this time, and that's the way she cut it.
Okay. Wow, is your hair thick? Whoa, and then you get in there. I'm gonna just grab this. So even if her hair goes all down, it's gonna look really cute. See how cute that is? It just gives it more of a style, so it's not this thick ledge, right? And then we could put a faux hook in there. We could do all kinds of different things as long as it's movable. I'm gonna get right in that row, and I'm feeling where does it need it? You know, is it still thick anywhere? It's a little bit thick right here. I feel it. Get right in there. Do 2 sections of it, and like right here. Oh my gosh! I want you to put your hands through there. Look at it. See, we could get that baby to stay up. So we can get it to do anything. How good, because it has texture. So why? Because if you get pieces out of there, all this other hair can stay up. But when you have it all one length and you don't put texture, more texture in there, it goes flat. It just flattens. So that's why even with Lisa's haircut, I love that she's gonna have so much body on that hair. It's gonna look awesome. See, now she can make this into a really cool faux hawk. She can do anything she wants, really. How do you want me to style it?
I'm not sure.
Whatever would look good and different and unique.
Yes.
Might as well go with it for the rest of the day.
Yeah, honey, she looks so cute. I love it. Now I'm gonna shake her hair out. Get all that little hairs out. See them? And listen, that didn't take a real long time, but listen, it takes a little skill. You gotta feel it. You gotta feel that hair. It feels so good now. And listen, whatever I do to it, it'll stay and it moves. That's what you want. You don't want it to like just flatten right away. All right, so this is a thick gel. It is called Strong Paste Gel. Davines. And look at, we could go to the side. We could go to a faux hawk. We could take some of this, bring it all down, and just do a little bit up here. Let me see. Yeah, so cute. Now look at that one. Which way do you like it better? Do you like it a little faux hawk?
Yeah.
Now listen, we could even do this side. We could have it kind of coming up and over. Do you like it better, you know, down?
Yeah, like this.
Okay, more down. You can just put it up, but you look how cute, right? She could have it over. She could get it all up and over. Ta-da! Yay! Let me turn you around. Ta-da! Look at how pretty. We got her wet. Sorry. How do you like it? You look so cute. Grandma, what do you think?
It came out really nice.
Yay!
That's what it almost looked like when we first did it. You know what I mean? It was that.
We love Coach Kimmy!
Woo!
My God! Yeah, I'm so excited.
Isn't that so pretty?
I love Coach Kimmy.
What's the?
I recommend you
Oh,
going down to Coach Kimmy's hair salon in New Jersey.
Yay! Thank you. Look at my 2 beautiful girls. Look at that hair. Gorgeous. Yay.
We love Coach Kimmy. I recommend you coming down to her Modern Technique salon in New Jersey. She's awesome.
Thank you.